Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Beginning in 2025, the only way to earn and redeem cashback rewards at Walmart will be through the Capital One Walmart Rewards MasterCard. This marks a significant shift, centralizing all cashback activity to this specific credit card. If you've enjoyed other methods previously, prepare for this update. Using the card is now essential for those valuable savings. It streamlines the entire process, making rewards acquisition clear and straightforward for shoppers. To access Walmart's cashback in 2025, you simply need to have the Capital One Walmart Rewards MasterCard. If you are already a cardholder, you are all set. Your earning will seamlessly continue. For those without the card, applying is straightforward. You can complete the application online through Capital One or even at kiosks inside Walmart stores. Approval grants you immediate access to this exclusive rewards program, opening the door to future savings. Earning cash back with your Walmart Rewards MasterCard is quite simple and offers tiered benefits. You will receive an impressive 5% cash back on everything you buy online at Walmart.com or through their convenient mobile app. For your everyday in-store shopping trips and fuel fill-ups at Walmart stations, you earn 2% back. Plus, you still get 1% cash back on all other purchases made elsewhere, making it a valuable card for diverse spending. The most straightforward way to use your earned cash back is by applying it as a statement credit to your Capital One Walmart Rewards MasterCard. This directly reduces your outstanding balance, saving you money immediately. Alternatively, you have the flexibility to redeem your accumulated rewards for Walmart gift cards, perfect for future shopping. You can also opt to cover specific recent purchases on your statement, giving you multiple convenient options for utilizing your savings effectively. To truly get the most out of your Walmart cash back, consistently use your Capital One Walmart Rewards MasterCard for all your Walmart purchases, especially online. The 5% online reward is incredibly generous and adds up quickly. Remember, this single card is the only official route for earning and redeeming Walmart cash back from 2025 onward. Embrace this streamlined approach to effortlessly save money on your everyday essentials and making your shopping budget go further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.